What's up, everybody? It's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at the cleanest trade-in we've ever seen. It's a 2015 Wildcat 4X Limited. This was a machine that I had built back in 2015. It's got a whopping 364 miles on it. Back then, we put everything imaginable on this Wildcat. Wanted to do a walk around and show you guys some options on the accessories for those of you that own the Wildcat X and the Wildcat 4X. On this machine, it was very purpose-built to have all the cool trick stuff on it. As you know from the factory, it came with the full doors, as you see here, with the killer graphics kit on it. It's got the bead locks on there, the Elka Stage 5 shocks. We've also put the front 3/8" UHMW A-arm guards, the street legal kit from Ryco. I'll turn that on here in a second. The Kolpin half windshield with the quick release knobs. We've also used the Axia Alloys side view and rear view mirrors. There's the 9" there and the 4" here. We've also installed the Arctic Cat spot and floodlights to give you nighttime visibility. Also on this Wildcat, we've done the full sound system from SSV Works with Bluetooth capabilities. When you go and put this SSV Works sound system in your Wildcat with the stock hard top, you are going to have to do some modifications to it. As you can see up here on the top, we've actually had to heat up the roof and mold it around the sound system. You can kind of see that right here. We've installed some additional bracketry underneath, as you can see, to keep the hard top secure. We've also installed the Tusk LED dome light, Arctic Cat grab handles, between the seats bag for the Arctic Cat 4-seater. The 2-seater and the 4-seater are different bags, just to take note. We've also got the Arctic Cat hard rear window. What's nice about this rear window is you can open up these vents to create some airflow inside the cab. Also on this machine, we've installed the high lifter arched radius rods. Gives your machine a sweet custom look, as well as provides some additional durability and ground clearance. It also has the Ryfab cargo box with the optional accessory bed rail on there. 3/8" UHMW skid with wings from SSS Off-Road. If you guys are going to be out doing any rock crawling in Moab, you're definitely going to want to have the UHMW skid on there. What do you guys think? Pretty sweet machine, right? If you have any questions, give us a call, 435-427-3338. You can also check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. I'm going to introduce you to the new owner, Rick. Tell everybody hello and your favorite place to shop.
Big Pine Sports.
Rick's previous owner's also got a Wildcat trail and looking for a bigger machine, additional seats, and he found a smoking good deal here at Big Pine Sports. If you'd like to talk to me personally, 435-851-3637. Have a great day, everybody.